Hello everyone. So we have already learned draft spinning technology method 1. Today we are going to learn draft spinning technology method 2. So all this comes under advances in spinning technology. So going for the method 2, don't feel that it is too hard. It is very easy as you have already learned draft spinning technology method 1. It is same as that, a slight difference. So draft 2 is generally suited for producing coarse yarns, okay, from medium to long staple cotton. Okay, next draft 2 consists of drafting arrangement. See, any spinning technology, it is like we will be having drafting arrangement. Okay, an opening roller for sure, a baller that lifts of the fibers for sure. So fiber cloud, perforated drums, suction unit, and open end yarn. So this is what we want. So let's what were the uses of this method too? See, let's see. Percentage of supporting fibers in the yarn will be increases. So that will be very beneficial for the spinning system, right? So when we having supporting yarns, which is very um, with a very good opening, that will be used for the spinning. And yarn strength, so which is very important category, and reducing the twist without loss of strength. So what that is what we want, right? So reducing twist also very important. So what are the parts actually? So what are the parts in the sense, basically the same we have in the method 1, drafting rollers, right? So then carding rollers, semicircle plates, air currents, perforated cylinders, drawing rollers, winders. These were already we have seen in the first method 1 itself. So it is like just one thing change. Don't worry, that one thing is just paralyzing cylinders or discs. Okay, let's see. See, this is the process diagram. We will see. See, this is the opening or inlet system. This is drafting rollers, and from here the sliver. The sliver is also, think about, the sliver is always the draw flame sliver. Okay, so from the inlet is draw flame sliver. From here it is like yesterday I have already told that sawtooth, it is a circular cylinder, that is a carding drum. Then from here to the semicircular plates, then from here suction, air current, yes, it will be flown here, the twist will be induced. Then this paralyzer, here come the paralyzer. So let's see. So first what happens is the paralyzing disc, which resembles, say what happens, the paralyzing disc also having some such amount of speed, that is 1500 to 3500 rpm. Okay, so it is positioned in the we have already seen. So after all reaching to these fibers, then the fibers are reached to the perforating collecting drums, then these fibers reach into the polarizing disc. So you can even see here, so best thing here, it will be good. Okay, so then what happens, what does they do? Paralyzing disc and forced to align themselves in the direction in which they will evenly to wound off. So basically this disc will do to opening and paralyzing those fibers, such that it will be very, like, even the twist which is already done in the fibers will be reduced and they become paralyzed, and that will be used as for the next products. So that will gives you, improves the alignment of the fibers up to in form of the yarn tenacity by something like that 80% to the 100%. So it can be used to spin very coarse yarns. So that is all about this method to draft spinning. Just like only to learn is paralyzing this, that makes the twist to untwist whatever the false twist was there, that will taken, and that these paralyzing disc will paralyze the fibers such that it will well open for the next process. Thank you.